GetResponse landing page tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own landing page using GetResponse. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on to getresponse.com, and over here, you're just going to click on the sign up for free on the top right over here. So we're just going to click on that. And now after that, you're just going to enter your name. I'm just going to enter Jane Doe, and then you're going to enter your email address as well. So I'm just going to enter my email address, and then I'm going to enter a password for the account, and then I'm just going to click on create account over here. And now this will lead you to the GetResponse home page where you can get started with your GetResponse journeys. I'm just going to open up my Gmail address and verify my email account. So that's like the first step you have to do before you can get started with setting up your actual GetResponse account. So we're just going to activate our account over here. You're going to find it in your inbox. Once you verify this onto your Gmail address, you're going to now enter your personal details. So I'm just going to do this, and I'll just add all of these details as well. And then you can just enter just the basic details and click on save and continue. I'll do this and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on these options. Now they're going to ask you to set up your account. You can skip this for now, or you can choose to just set up by answering these couple of questions. I'm going to continue with no, not yet. If you have any contacts, or do you have a website? So no, not yet. And now I'm going to click on take me to dashboard, which will lead you to your GetResponse dashboard. Now you can see this is your basic dashboard, and I'm just going to show you guys, like, this is the dashboard, and on your top left you have different tools as well. So once you click on tools, a drop down menu will appear where you can see different features and automations and different tools that the GetResponse app enables you to try. Now, what we're going to be focusing on is building a landing page or a website for any kind of purpose using GetResponse. So now what we're going to do is we are going to click on tools over here on our top left, and then we're going to click on landing pages over here. And now after that, you're just going to click on create landing pages. And now there are two different routes that you can go down with. You can click on build from scratch and then start from scratch as well, or you can take a look at the different templates available to you from GetResponse. Now, you can see on your left over here, you have a categorization of these templates as well. So some are promotion templates, download templates, sales templates. So you have quite a few different varieties available for you to choose from. And we're just going to click on all templates over here, and you can just browse these templates to get started. Now, let's say I want to check out the Baker's Bakery template, so I can just click on select template, and this will open this up, and then I can also see the thank you page. So whatever this template entails, I can see. Now let's say we are going to create a landing page for maybe your online business or like any kind of business landing page. So I want to take a look at this active gym template, and then they have a thank you page. So I'm going to click on enter landing page name over here, and I'm going to add Jane's Gym as the landing page name. So maybe I want to like create a landing page for my own gym, and then I'm just going to click on next step over here. So now you can see over here that our landing page template has been downloaded. This is variant A. You can see on your top left, you have different tabs. So after that, you can also create variant B's and then create, a simultaneous comparison between the two templates. So now both of these are replicated. And if I change one of this, so if I delete this from over here, and if I just click on this, move this like so, and if I go on to variant A, it still has the original logo placed. So in this way, you can also choose to make different changes and check out whether or not you like those changes in comparison, or you can just work on one variant and then just continue on with there, and then just move on as you go or undo any of the changes that you don't like. Now, to get started with our customization of this template, first off, I'm going to delete this logo, and you can see on your landing page builder on your right side, you have your website building or page building tools. So from here, what you're going to do is you can add different tools. You can drag and drop any kind of function over here. So if you want to sell products, then you can enter these kinds of sections. If you have anything else like basic text, so I'm just going to place some basic text, add Jane's So I've added Jane's Bodybuilding Gym as the text over here, and I will place it like so. And now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this text. I'm going to change the look of the text. So I'm going to make it in a different font, and then I'm going to change the color of the text as well. I want it to be like a complementing color, and then you can also give it like a background color as well. So I'm going to go with a gray kind of color like this. And now I'm just going to add this over here. Now below that, you also have other things that you can add on to your landing page, like buttons. So if you have like a landing page for affiliate marketing and you're promoting an affiliate product, you can add your affiliate links over here in buttons as well. For that purpose, it's very useful. Now after that, you have your forms. So you can click on pop-up forms or static forms, and you can create these forms to collect information or to collect more leads. So let's say we want to create a pop-up form, and this is going to be a sign up pop-up form. And now you can see this is what the sign up pop-up form is going to look like. They're giving me a template. So I'm going to change the color scheme to a more neon shade of green. I'm going to click on over here, and then I'm going to click on the background as black. And then I'm going to enter these basic fields. So name and email address. These are the two basic things I want to collect in my pop-up form. And then you can click on choose another form to choose if you want another kind of form. I'm going to continue with the sign up form. I think sign up forms are usually some of the best ways to collect information. So I'm just going to continue with that, and I'm just going to click on save over here. This is what my form is going to be looking like. This is just a preview, and maybe I want like a 1 second delay, and I want it to have repeat after 1 day, or maybe every time. And then you can also add constant fields, so you can add more fields onto your forms as well. And now I'm just going to click on save, because landing pages are often used to collect data and information. Now after that, you also have the shapes that you can add to further design your landing page. You also have social media links that you can place, so you can just drag and drop these links on over here and link your social media pages. Now after that, all you have to do is, you can see on your top center, you can preview the mobile version as well, and then you can also click on preview just to preview your overall landing page, and then you're just going to click on save. And now once this has been saved, you're just going to click on next page over here. And then you're going to take a look at this. So we're going to click on proceed without mobile versions. And now after that, you're going to select your SEO settings. All of this stuff is just basic analytics. You can choose which email you want to link and all that. And now we're just going to click on publish over here. You don't even need to customize those. Now after that, once you do that, our landing page is ready and live. So you can see this is what my landing page is currently looking like. It's a simple logo, and now you see my pop-up form has appeared on screen, the one that I created, and you can obviously customize the page according to your own personal needs. Now that is how simple and easy it is to create your own landing page using GetResponse. But if we take a look at the pricing of GetResponse, on the free version, you will only be able to create one landing page and one website. So that is something you need to keep into consideration. If you want to create multiple landing pages, then you will have to opt for their premium versions starting at $15.58 per month, where you can create unlimited landing pages. So that is something that is a useful feature if you are looking to create multiple landing pages using GetResponse. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and check out our other videos for more content like this and how to build landing pages using other platforms as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.